Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Webtech Tutorial. In today's episode, I will be guiding you through how to activate your KeyBank debit card online. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive into the video. So the first thing you'll need to make sure is you have your card handy. Go ahead and get your debit card and then open up a web browser on your computer or your mobile device. You may also go ahead and launch open your KeyBank mobile application. Go ahead and type in key.com inside the URL box on a web browser and this will take you to the official website for KeyBank. Once you get to the official site, go ahead and log into your account. Click on the sign on button on the right hand side corner of the screen and then in the sign in page, sign in by entering your login credentials for KeyBank. If you're new and you'd like to enroll into online banking first, you can click on the Enroll in Online Banking link and follow through the sign up process. Once you have your account, you can enter into your account anytime you want by entering your user ID and your password. Just make sure that your details are correct and then click on Sign On. In order to sign in to your account, once you're inside, look for the option to activate your debit card and then follow through the instructions till the end. You will need to enter the details that is available on your debit card and follow through the prompts in order to activate your debit card online. You can also activate your debit card by calling the activation number provided on the sticker attached to your new card and follow the instructions. You may also activate your card by using it on any KeyBank ATM and following the instructions well. So that was how you can easily activate your KeyBank debit card online in just a few simple steps. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press on the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.